Hello guys, welcome to this video, and in this video I'll be talking to you about Fiverr Jobs Empathetic Listener. Fiverr Jobs Empathetic Listener. As you can see, I've done a search. I'm on Fiverr right now, and I've done a search for this very gig on Fiverr, and as you can see, this gig doesn't have um, a lot of a lot of competition. I searched for it and I got only 40. But if we remove the jobs and we search for empathetic listener only, you'll see that we'll be getting just 250 results as at the time I'm creating this video. So why am I showing this video? I'm showing this. I'm going to be, if you listen to this video and you follow me to the end, I'm going to be showing you how you're going to start up your own gig. This is a gig to pursue because once you start, the competition is less and there's not too many people pursuing this very gig. So I'm going to show you how these guys here are doing it and how you also can tap into it, and you can also start earning from this very gig. So let's go in now, and you see, look at I did a search for empathetic listener jobs, and then sorry guys, I'm doing this on my phone just to let you guys know. I'm doing this on my phone, so sorry about the screen. The screen will be a little bit smaller. Okay, let's go on. As you can see, they are not I just have 40 results. I got 40 results from the search, and then you see this person has made 2 sales, this person has made 75 sales, this one has made 14 sales. So far so good. This is the highest person, and there's no Fiverr. As you can see on this gig, there's no Fiverr choice yet. So the competition is not much. So it's something you can really easily go into and start making money on it. And you can see these guys, the person that did 75 is doing for 25, is selling for $25. So let's check, because it's the highest seller here. So let's click on this and let's see. Let's click on this. So as you can see, he's selling the basic for 25, and he said 30 minutes mid session to get to know you and your situation better. So that's what she's offering. She's from Malaysia, and she speaks English, Malay, and Chinese. She's made 155. She has made 155 sales, completed 155 sales, and as you can see, she's charging 25 for 30 minutes, and then 1 hour for $45, and the premium is $85 for 2 hours. So that's that. As you can see, so if you want to really go into this and want to make money from this very gig, it's something that we can easily come into, and then we can run into it, because some of the gigs that some of these people are pursuing on Fiverr, they have a lot of what's it called? They have a lot of competition, and that's why you see a lot of people are not making sales, because there's a lot of people offering that same gig. Some people are doing web design. If you search for web design, you'll find thousands of web designers on Fiverr. You search for graphic designs, you meet thousands of graphic designers. But these are gigs that are not too there's not much competition on it. So what you can do is, let's see. This is what her just about her says: empath on your journey to heal. Hey, beautiful soul. I am a physiologist and a coach in the making, who is passionate about being compassionate. And if you're looking for someone to listen to your problems without judgment, I am your go-to. Let me ease your worries. We can talk things out. And so this person is just like a physiologist, or a physiological counselor, and spiritual healing. These are just the things she's life advising. So this is like love advice. So if you're someone that you can give advice, you can listen, you're a good listener, and you can offer a helpful advice to people, you can just come and pattern your gig along with this very person's gig, and you see that you'll be making you make you start making money from this gig. So this person has, okay, this is the about gig, sorry, this is our gig here. So you can easily copy the about gig and pattern yours and just rewrite it in your own words, and then you have your about gig ready, and then you can just pattern, and then you start uh, put your pictures. So let's go back and the other let's check the other ones. This person has sold 14. Let's see, I mean 14 sales. So let's see um, his own gig also. This person said, I'll provide empathetic listening and help you tap into your own inner strength. So you see, he's doing $30 for 1 minute session, and this is doing so sorry, $30 for the basic is $30 30 minutes, standard is $40 for 1 hour, and then the premium is $50 for 1 hour. 1 hour. So as you can see, she's from United States and she speaks English and she has completed 19 sales. So my passion is to help others through empathic listening and health and wellness coach. Helping others, okay, wellness coach. I will listen and ask powerful questions about questions to help you tap into your own inner wisdom and strength. I am passionate I'm passionate about supporting others as they navigate through all their challenges. So this is, I'm not going to read through all that. So this is just what this lady is doing. So as you can see, this is and if you go down, this is about gig. Look at what she's doing. Caring, safe, and judgment-free support for whatever you need in the present moment. So these are, as you can see, these are gigs that are not that doesn't have so much competition. The competition is not much, so you can easily make it. If you're a good listener, you can advise. You're good at giving a good advice. This is something you can easily do, and you can start making sales from it. So this is so just sign up on Fiverr. If you've not joined Fiverr, sign up on Fiverr, and then you can switch to selling, and you can start creating your own gig. I don't want this video to be too lengthy because if I want to show you how to set up a gig, it's going to take a long time, but it's easy. It's just like open an email address. Setting up a gig is not that hard. So you can come in here, create your own gig, and then you move forward, or you do a search on Google, look for, or go to YouTube and do a search on how to search for on YouTube for how to create a Fiverr gig. So that's how you can easily come in here, make money, and then you go. So if you want to, if you want to start, when you're thinking that if I post there, how will I get customers? You cannot use. What you do is you can start posting your links. Once you create your gig, you start posting your link on social media platforms. You can start posting into social media groups like dating groups, um, wedding groups. Um, just keep posting. Like every day you share your link, share the link of your gig, and post on dating groups, post on love groups, post on, those are the groups that people that are heartbroken, people that needs boyfriend, dating group, teen groups, all of that. Just keep posting there on several Facebook groups. So if you go onto Facebook, you'll find a lot of groups you can post on, and then before you know what's happening, people will start ordering your gig. They start buying from you. So that's the easy way. That's the easy way to easily make money on Fiverr. So this is just a very good gig to pursue. That's Fiverr Jobs empathetic listening. Empathetic listener. So that is what you want to be. You want to become an empathetic listener. Listen to people's problems, to people's worries, and then advise them. People that are looking for love, people that have marriage issues, and all of that. You just position yourself. Read about. You can read. You can take courses. You can read about dating, about marriage, about weddings, about love life, about how to get an ex back, and all of that. Just do a little read up, and then you offer those advice. Offer people come to you, they talk to you, and then you can offer them, and you can talk to them, and then you guys talk. So, and in 30 minutes time, you're done. You're done. They don't listen. And okay, now let's see. I spent too much time, so I think I'm going to slow up this gig. So let's see if we try to order this gig now. Let's see how. Oh, sorry. I want to look at how the gig will be delivered. So, but that's just a simple way. If we're trying to order this gig now, it's going to take us to where the person is going to do we pay, and then and you will be charged it. It's taking us out of Fiverr. It's going to take us straight to the payment page. We have to pay with either with PayPal. Yeah, that's the only thing we have to do. We have to pay with PayPal. So as you can see, that's just it. So I'm logged in, and that's my Fiverr name. So as you can see, this is just a simple way to easily make money on Fiverr. So a lot of people are looking for how to make money on Fiverr. So I'm creating videos to help you guys, to show you guys how you can easily make money on Fiverr. So if you like this video, if this video was helpful, please give it a like, give it a thumbs up, and I'll create more videos on you on how you can, on gigs you can start up on Fiverr, how to make money on Fiverr. So that will be all for this video, and I'll see you in my next video. So you can check out my other videos on how to work from home from Fiverr. I'll be putting a link in the description and on this video. So check out my other videos on Fiverr, and there you'll find more ways on how to make money. So I'll see you guys. Bye for now.